Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about Kawasaki Ninja H2R features. The doors slide open, revealing an opulent showroom bathed in soft, ambient lighting. The polished marble floors reflect the glow of futuristic LED strips lining the ceiling, casting a sleek aura across the room. The air is still, charged with anticipation, as the spotlight falls on the undisputed king of superbikes, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This is not just any motorcycle. This is a mechanical masterpiece, an icon of speed, power, and precision. Draped in a carbon fiber-clad body, its aggressive lines carve through the air with purpose. Every inch of this machine is engineered for one thing: unmatched performance. The name, Kawasaki Ninja H2R, is boldly displayed on the showroom wall, glowing with an electrifying presence. It's more than just a name, it's a symbol of engineering dominance, a machine so powerful that it's not even street legal. Step closer, and the details become even more mesmerizing. The supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine hides beneath its sculpted fairings, a powerhouse capable of unleashing over 300 horsepower, an insane figure for a two-wheeled machine. This is a bike that doesn't just ride, it launches, defying the very limits of physics. The carbon fiber winglets on either side of the fairing aren't just for show. These are meticulously crafted for high-speed stability, generating downforce that keeps the bike planted even at extreme speeds. Every aerodynamic element serves a purpose, precision tested in wind tunnels and honed through years of Kawasaki's racing expertise. The trellis frame, painted in Kawasaki's signature green, is not only lightweight but also provides the perfect balance between strength and agility. This frame, combined with a state-of-the-art suspension system, ensures that the H2R remains planted even when tearing through racetracks at unimaginable speeds. The seating position is aggressive and race-ready, a clear message that this machine was built for performance, not comfort. The handlebars sit low, the footpegs are high, and the sculpted seat is designed to lock the rider into the perfect attack stance. Everything about this cockpit screams precision and control. And then, there's the exhaust, a work of art in itself. The titanium-tipped, short exhaust system releases a ferocious, high-pitched scream, unlike anything you've ever heard before. At full throttle, the whistle of the supercharger combined with the deep roar of the engine creates a sound that sends shivers down your spine. The Brembo braking system, with massive rotors and high-performance calipers, ensures that this beast can be tamed when necessary. The specially designed slick tires grip the polished floor, ready to unleash their full potential on the track. Large HD screens on the walls showcase footage of the H2R in action, tearing through racetracks with unbelievable acceleration, leaving competitors in the dust. The way it carves through corners, the sheer brutality of its acceleration, it's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power. The showroom itself is a temple of performance, designed to enhance the exclusivity of this machine. Glass display cases hold precision-engineered components, from forged pistons to carbon fiber panels, showcasing the level of craftsmanship that goes into building this hyperbike. On a nearby touchscreen, visitors can interact with the development story of the H2R, watching as Kawasaki engineers push the limits of performance, designing every element with meticulous precision. A simulation mode even allows enthusiasts to experience what it's like to ride this monster on a professional track. As the soft lighting shifts, casting a golden hue across the bike's mirrored black and green finish, it's clear, this is more than just a machine. It's an engineering marvel, a collector's dream, and a racer's ultimate weapon. Standing here, in this luxurious setting, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than just metal and mechanics, it's raw, unfiltered adrenaline in its purest form. The showroom amplifies its presence, making it feel like a machine not just built for speed, but for legendary status. And as the lights dim, leaving the H2R glowing in the spotlight, one thing is certain: this is a bike that redefines the meaning of power, precision, and prestige. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.